right? Okay. Is this big enough?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
It looks like a stop motion video for me.
What is it? It looks like
So
a...
I can't see it. The screens are covering.
Which screens are covering?
Like the face, like the what's it called? The videos.
The
It looks
videos...
like stop motion.
Like
you-
our screens. Our screens at the bottom.
then remove that. No, you can actually move it slightly.
Oh
You
yeah,
need-
yeah,
you-
I got it.
You need
I
to
got
move
it,
it, my
I got
dear.
it.
Yes. Okay.
Sorry.
Now, who can tell me what this black key is called as? The black key over here.
Stop or flat.
This one, this one. It's got two names, okay? It's got two names. This is either called as a C sharp.
Sharp. C
Okay.
sharp.
What I will do is
D sharp.
I'll write it above here so that. Okay, I'll write it above.
The stop and flat.
Yeah, so this is a C sharp or a D flat. Depending on the situation, we will learn how to use the name. Like example, people use a knife in the kitchen, correct?
Yeah.
And doctors also do an operation with something like a knife, right?
Yes, sir.
Right? Something like a knife to cut, to do an operation, right? But does the doctor say, hey, give me a knife? No, he would use he'll use a different word itself. I think it's the, what is the word for the knife that he uses?
Scalpel.
Scalpel, yes. Scalpel is the word that he would use. So depending on the context of use, we would use different names. If you're in the kitchen, you would say, hey, give me the knife. If you're on the operation table, give me the scalpel. Okay, so we will know about this a little later. Now, this is also called a D sharp or a E flat.
E flat.
What about this? F sharp.
That's a F sharp and a G flat.
Good.
G flat.
Next is G sharp
What
or
about
G sharp, A flat.
A flat. What's the last one?
the A sharp and B flat?
A
B
sharp
flat.
and B flat. Great. So that's about the notes. Now let's come to finding the scale itself. Okay, there is a specific formula to find the major scale. The formula to find the major scale is, first is R. What is that? R means the root. Whatever scale you want to find. Guys, you can actually mute yourself because I'm able to hear the background noise. If you can just quickly
sorry.
mute yourself. Okay, so a scale, look at this. The formula to find the scale. The first one is R. That's the formula. R W W H W W. Oh, wait. R W W H W W W. Oh, good. See how quickly I changed the. Yes, W. I hope it doesn't look like an H. R W W H W W W H. Can you say that? Let's see. 1, 2, 3. Say. You don't have to unmute it.
R W O.
That's okay. That's okay. Go ahead. Go ahead. Great. Okay, so R, W, W, H, W, 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 H. Okay. Now, R means the root. Whatever scale you want to find, whatever major scale you want, like you want to find the F major scale, you can write it here. Or if you want to find A major scale, you can write it here. So for this context, we're going to first find the C major scale. So I'll write C over here. Okay? Now stop writing, guys. I want you to look at this very carefully. Okay? Look at this very carefully. Now, there's something called as intervals. Okay, an interval means a distance between two notes. Okay, like example, from C to C sharp is a half step. From C to the immediate next note is a half step. But from C to leave the immediate next note and go to the next note, that is a whole step. Did you understand? From C to the immediate next note is half step. From C to leave the immediate next note and then go to the next note, that is a whole step. Now, did anybody not understand this? Everybody understood? If you understood, give me a thumbs up. Super, 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 super. Yes, great. Yui is totally thumbs up over there. He's drinking something. Okay, cool, no problem. Okay, so R from C, W is what? Whole step is what? Is it C sharp or D? If you know the answer, please. If you know the answer, yes, go ahead.
D.
D, very good. That's the D, so I'll write it here. Okay, from D, whole step is what? If you know the answer?
E.
E, very good. It's E, good. From E, what is a half step?
F.
F, very good. From F, what is a whole step?
G.
G, very good. From G, the whole step?
A.
Very good. From A, whole step?
B.
Very good. From B, half step?
C flat.
C flat.
Sorry, C.
It's a half step from B. The immediate next note is C. Okay, this was extremely easy. Now we're going to take another scale. Let's see if we can find the scale. Okay, which is a scale which you've never known to play?
So B flat.
Let's not take a B flat. Let's not take it because that's another. We can find it, but it will slightly confuse you right now. I would think let's find a E major scale.
Yeah.
Okay, so I'll write E over here. Okay. By the way, I think Yui got disconnected for some reason. Probably his internet. Okay.
Oh yeah.
It's better.
Yeah.
What better, my friend?
My internet.
Internet.
Oh, your internet. So probably. Okay. So. Okay, hold on. Cool. So now look at this. We're going to do an E major scale. So E is here. From E, the whole step is what?
F.
F.
Okay. Welcome to Radio City 91.91 FM.
What happened?
What happened? A lot of things have happened. Great. So let me just revise. Let me just quickly revise. Look at this. The R means, when you see R, it means you take any scale that you want to find. Okay. Any scale that you want to find will be R, like we are finding C. From C, the whole step is what? You know whole step, right? It's not the immediate next note, but the next note. So it's D. From D, whole step, half step, whole step. So that's how you find it. Got it? Now we're finding for something harder. That is E major scale. So E is here. From E to whole step is what?
F.
What is it?
F.
Perfectly wrong answer. Clap your hands, please. Whoa, perfectly wrong answer.
F sharp.
Exactly, F sharp.
Yeah.
Because
Oh yeah.
E to F will be a half step. It's the immediate next note. We don't want an immediate. We want a whole step. We want to leave the and move. So that's an F sharp. Great. So we have an F sharp. What about the next one?
G sharp.
What is that?
G sharp.
Okay, F sharp and then
G sharp.
G sharp. Very good. Who said that?
So me, Arnav.
Okay. Okay, so from G sharp we want a half step.
So,
Yes. Tell me, Yui.
I need to leave the meeting and join on another device because the iPad is going low on battery. Can
No,
I
the thing
use
is,
that?
we have only 10 minutes remaining. Let's hold on.
Yeah,
right?
it's 4%.
Oh, it's 4%. Okay, wait. No, just we'll finish off with this scale. I think it'll remain till 4.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah,
So,
yes.
I think
cool.
the microphone is not close enough to you because I'm not able to hear you.
So, who are you not able to hear?
So you,
We can hear him.
we're not very clearly.
Okay, now can
I
you hear
can
me?
hear him clearly.
Now-
Very clearly for me.
Now a little more clearly. Am I too loud?
No, so perfect.
Okay, so now look at this. From G sharp, I want a half step. What is a half step? Yes,
A.
exactly.
Let's say
Okay, great. From A to whole step is what?
B.
B.
A sharp. What?
A
E.
to wait. A to whole step we want.
It's A sharp.
A to
B.
see a whole step means it's not the immediate next note. A half step is immediate next note. You got it?
So it's B.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's B.
Right? So whole step, it's a B. Great. Okay, let's go to the next one. From B to a whole step is
C sharp. C
it's
sharp.
a C sharp. What is that? Seashells, the seashore of the
Seashells on the seashore.
seashells on the seashores of the sea, whatever. Okay, so C sharp. From C sharp, we want a whole step. What is that?
E plus.
D sharp.
D sharp.
D
Ve-
sharp.
It's D sharp. Very good. From D sharp, we want a half step. What is that?
E.
Very good.
Back to E.
Now, you know what? We have found the scale for E major.
Yeah.
Isn't that cool?
Yeah.
You know what? This way you can find the scale for almost any note that you want. Okay?
Yeah.
So, what we will do is, I want you to try to find for. Can I tell you all the notes?
So we can do it as homework.
You want to do it as a homework? Okay.
Yeah.
Great. So I will tell you. This is the order of you doing it. Okay. First you'll write C, then you'll write for G, then you will write for D, A, E, and then B, and then you're going to do it for F, B.
So should we?
Wait, hold on. This will be a B flat, E flat, A flat, D flat.
So should we send a
G flat.
picture of this to you?
What is it?
Should we send a
Yes,
picture
I want
of
you
this
to. I want you to find the scale using this formula, and all of these scales will be found. And in fact, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 12 scales we've found. Paparitos. You like that? How many of you like
Yeah.
it? Show me a thumbs up. Imagine you've learned the formula to find 12 different scales. Okay, so that's the 12 major scales that we have learned. And we will in the future also learn the minor scales. So what you got to do also is, I want you to try to play these scales. Probably C, G, D, A, E, B. The top five. The top five. C, G, D, A, E, B. What you're going to do is, you're going to use these fingers. Now look at this. Probably I can just show it on the keyboard. So you basically will, look at this. What you're going to do is, you're going to use your 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Got that? That's the pattern you will use for your right hand. For all of these scales. That is for C, G, D, A, E, B. Like example, let me show E. E would be. So I'm using 1, 2, 3, then 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Got that? So that's how we're going to find for all of this. Got that? So you're going to do this for your right hand, and then for the left hand it will be 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1. what happened? Okay, I'm gonna tell you. Just hold on. See, as a homework, you're gonna find this the scale for all of these.
Yeah, I'm just writing it down.
Okay, C, G, D, A, E, B. Okay, and then F, B flat, E flat, A flat, D flat, and G flat. Okay,
A flat, A flat, D flat,
and G flat.
G flat.
Yes. So
Yeah.
we're gonna find these scales, and
Yeah.
the homework would be to write these scales. That's one. The second homework is for you to play these scales, the top row. Only the first one. C, G, D, A, E, B, right? You're going to be playing it with your right hand. What are the finger numbering? Look at this. Just stop writing this, have a look at this. So finger numbering would be 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's the finger numbering. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the left hand would be 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1. Got that?
Yes, sir.
So
Yes,
that's
sir.
the way we go about finding the scale, and you're going to be practicing these scales. Okay. How many of you will say, yes, I will practice?
Me, yes, I will practice.
Okay, now say it with
Yes,
some.
I will practice.
No, look at that. Imagine, yes, I will practice. No, say it with some energy. Come on, yes, I will practice. Go ahead, say it.
Yes, I will practice. Yes, I will practice.
Exactly. I'm sorry. Okay.